Does your vacuum do this? If so, we're gonna get you fixed. So we are gonna work on this Bissell Pet vacuum. As I'd shown you in the video, it was making a hell of a noise. And had these apart a few times before. Usually you just gotta replace this roller. Get these off Amazon. As long as they're the right width, they're kind of all the same, a few different colors. I don't really care if it matches the blue. It doesn't matter to me, but maybe it does matter to you. What we'll have to do is there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. They're a Phillips screw. Pull these suckers out. Yeah, I'll rip through this quick. This should make that noise go away. Funny little fact about the Phillips screwdriver, it was made by Screwbit, invented by John Stanley in the States and patented by Phillips in the 30s, kind of industrialized it. So yeah, it's American made, not something we use very often in Canada, but drywall screws and stuff. But yeah, anyways. There's one more small screw in here, sorry, there's 7 screws. This is a short one. Pull that out there. Yeah. Strip that piece out. I just did the belt on this one. Oh, look at that pet hair. Yeah, so super common. What happens is the pet hair gets jammed in these things and then they start to vibrate. So yeah, we'll try putting this together and see what it does. There's a little shaft down there. I don't know if you can see it. Right down in here. This belt's got to go over that shaft and then it slips over this piece. There's a little one-way head in here on the roller. And then I just jam it up in there like that. Get this belt over. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't go like you want it to, but it's got to get a little rammy. There we go. We have a couple of dogs in the house, so I'm burning one of these things out every couple of months, it seems. So as long as I stay on the maintenance, it's not too bad. Make sure the little screw goes into this hole here. In each one of these holes. There should be 6 on top of that short little one, so 7 with the small one, 6 regular size. That's why we're not a fan of the Phillips screwdriver. Strip out pretty easily, but gentle, not so bad. There. Now we're gonna give her a go and see how it works. See if it still makes that god-awful noise. I'll be damned. No more buzzing, banging. Just like that. Problem's gone.